Hi, I'm Grady Summers. I'm the CEO of Netwrix. Looking forward to chatting with you for a few minutes today as we introduce our next advancement in AI and LLM compatibility, and that's our MCP server for Access Analyzer. Joined today by Jeff Warren and Brett Bodenberg. I'll have them introduce themselves, but let me throw it first to Jeff. Jeff, what's an MCP server and why does it matter?
Yeah, absolutely. So Jeff Warren, I'm the Chief Product Officer here, and the Model Context Protocol we're going to show you today, or MCP server, is all about making your LLM smarter. Context makes it give better answers, gives you better quality actions through the tool, and it gives you a standard way that you can connect it with software like Access Analyzer. Access Analyzer is built to go and scan enterprises to collect data around access risks. Where do you have sensitive data? Who has access to it? And what are the risks associated with it? These are very difficult problems to solve. Lots of data must be collected to analyze that type of risk. And now you can feed it directly into your LLM to kind of supercharge it and give it that power to answer questions around your data through that conversational chat that we're all used to. So Brett is going to walk you through it and give you a quick tour.
Thanks, Jeff. Brett Bodenberg here, data scientist at Netwrix, and leading some AI initiatives, and we're having a lot of fun here and excited to release an open source MCP server for Access Analyzer. So you're going to be able to hook this into your current AI-driven workflows, experiment, play around with. We're really excited to see what we can come up. So let's go over to Claude Desktop here. So Claude Desktop MCP compatible client. I'm hooked up with our Access Analyzer MCP server, and you can see that because we have some tools showing up here. So let's start it out. Let's see, let's make sure we're connected to the Access Analyzer product. So it's going to ask for a tool. It's going to ask for an OK to run this tool. We're going to allow for this chat. So yes, we're connected to Access Analyzer. So let's ask some questions. Let's say, where does where a specific user has access. We're going to go out. We're using a different tool here, so we can allow for this chat. We're going out to Access Analyzer, getting that information, bringing that back into the chat all in one place. So for this user, we have access to IT and marketing shares. We can also ask questions like, what sensitive data is there in my environment? This MCP server gives you that tool to go check this out. It's finding a lot of different locations of sensitive data, and you can also leverage the power of cloud and what it can do for you and say, hey, make me a dashboard.
Yeah, what I love about this is you don't need to understand Access Analyzer. You don't need to understand the vernacular, the schema that the product uses. You can talk to it in plain English. It will interpret that, connect it to the right tools in the MCP, and give you the exact answer that you want.
It's sort of the abstraction from the user interface that our customers are going to be able to experience over the coming months, years here, and that we put a lot of time into making a great UI, but this lets customers experience the UI exactly how they want it, right?
You know, the power of Access Analyzer is the data that it can collect, the analysis it does on that data, and having that harnessed and just ready to feed into a tool like Claude. It's incredible to see what it can do with that data.
Really amazing. Brett, where do you think people are going to take this in the future? You mentioned it's open source, of course.
Yeah, open source. So I think just starting out, playing around with it, see how you can extract the insights from Access Analyzer is great. Really, it unlocks Access Analyzer to the greater ecosystem of AI-driven workflows.
I love it. We've got a lot to come. We have new MCP servers that we'll be introducing here over the coming days. If our customers want to find out more, they can just go to community.netwrix.com/MCP. You'll find there more information about it. You'll find explanation on how to get the software, get it set up in your environment. And we'd love to see you contribute to the community. We can't wait to see what all of our customers come up with and what they do with it. Jeff, Brett, thank you so much.